So, how to fix Facebook Messenger something went wrong. Hi guys. So, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager now, go to the Messenger app right here, click on it and force stop the app. Now, go to the storage or the internal storage, click on clear cache and clear data. Go back and then click on power usage details. Click down here on this force stop option. Now go back to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and after that disable it. Now all what you want to do next is open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Messenger and update the app. That's it guys, very easy and simple. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end.